Okay, so if we look this morning, we were trading the New Zealand cash rate earlier this morning. So that was at 4 a.m. South African time. We did expect a 25 basis point cut, and that was seen as positive for the New Zealand dollar. However, with there not being a press conference, we did not expect lots of volatility. So last night we woke up and it was literally this bearish engulfing. That was the move, and now price has gone up for another entry opportunity, and we've now got a long-legged doji spinning top on GN. So if we look at GN, our other pair we're looking at is EN as well as GA. So if we look at GA, descending wedge to break out to the upside. We're currently at target area, as well as this extension level at -27. So I've taken an entry there at that dotted line at the yellow line. My expectations for price to come down, and that would be New Zealand dollar strength or Australian dollar strength in this case. But we know GA and GN work nicely together. So on GN we've got, on the 1 hour we've got that spinning top, on the 4 hour also spinning top at target area. Expectations also price to come down for GN. We can also look at EN. EN doesn't look as good for me. However, we have rejected off that major, currently overbought. So yeah, let's see if we do get GA to come down, GN also to come down. Okay, so just looking back at our previous trades, so GN we got actually a phenomenal entry there at that yellow line. Expectation was for price to break out to the downside, and we hit that major. I, however, closed after 100 pips. It's funny to say that, that's not something you normally say, but yeah, so I closed at 100 pips. I thought that was after that 1 hour candle, we might come back up for another entry and then come down. So I closed my position there after 100 pips, and it continued for another 200. So on GN, that was 100 pips on GN. If I look at GA, again, entry at that yellow line, -27, phenomenal wick entry. I closed again after 100 pips. I think it was here as well. It was around here, just before this, around there. I was happy with 100 pips. I didn't think, again, I thought maybe retest that major again before coming down. However, we just continued. So that would have been another 250 odd pips. So all in all, I'll take the 200 pips. Could have been 500 pips, but yeah, I decided I had already banked the 200 pips, and I was happy. So yeah, that's two that went in our favor this morning.
Hi guys, I'm Connor, a full-time trader. If you're interested in trading like me, visit the website below or click on the link in description.